Welcome to Biz Wire. I'm Joseph Nordstrom in Beijing. China's annual 2 sessions of parliamentary meetings ended Thursday after taking steps to implement a broad range of economic reforms. China reaffirmed its growth target of 7.5% for this year, but to do so will rely more on domestic consumption to drive expansion. Premier Li Keqiang told the National People's Congress that to increase consumer spending, personal income also needs to rise. This call was reiterated by members of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference this week, saying salary increases should continue and rise in line with the Consumer Price Index to keep up with inflation. The premier also said that the government will support China's rapidly growing e-commerce sector, which will, quote, unleash the huge consumption potential of over 1 billion people. As of now, economists say exports and government investments into fixed assets like urban infrastructure take up too large a slice of what is causing China to grow. To see more consumer-based growth, it's essential that the service sector expands at a greater rate than the rest of the economy. As of now, the service sector is growing, but its share of output and employment is smaller than comparable economies. If and when services are responsible for a larger role, Chinese should see their household income also rise as a share of GDP. Some say as the service sector scales up, prices could fall, further boosting sales. Officials are also taking steps to modernize the financial sector, which should in turn help the service sector expand. Many firms report difficulty in obtaining enough financing to fund their growth. Also, new financial products as well as higher interest rates on bank deposits, which are currently held artificially low, will raise investment income and put more money into the hands of consumers. Likewise, reforms to the country's social safety net like pensions and health insurance will reduce the need for precautionary saving and boost spending. In fact, many reforms announced at last November's third plenum meeting and further implemented at this month's session of Parliament should increase incomes and stimulate consumer spending. This will go a long way towards rebalancing China's economy and help put it on a more sustainable path to grow into what officials like to call a moderately prosperous society. You're watching Biz Wire on the Blue Ocean Network, China's first and only privately owned English language broadcast media. Our full episode can be seen on our website, BONTV/biz-wire. Let's turn now for a quick look at a few stories that are buzzing through the markets.